baking session with one of the finest bakery chefs in the city, Ms. Deepthi Joji. So without further ado, we at Audi Chennai wish you all a very, very happy Independence Day, and let's get the baking started. So over to you, chef.
What we have for you all are two simple recipes that you all can replicate at home. So that's what we have for you all today. The marble cake is ready here and the cornbread is also baked, and like you all can see the textures over here.
Thank you, chef, so much for those two amazing dishes. I'm sure all of us enjoyed it so much. Okay, so Mr. Varun says, I hope the recording will be shared too. Sure, Mr. Varun, we'll try and get the recording done and shared with you. Dr. Kiran says, great presentation, chef. Thank you, everybody. Thank you once again for joining. Thank you, chef.